How to hide your following list on TikTok. By default, your following list on TikTok is visible to other users of this social network. If you want to hide your following list, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to keep your following list private. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Then, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Find the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on them. In the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on the Privacy option. Scroll down until you find the Following List section. Open it. As you can see, my following list was visible to everyone until now. I will now change that by selecting the Only You option. This way, other TikTok users will only be able to see mutual friends but not my entire following list. Exit the window, and that's it for this tutorial. If you want more similar tutorials, make sure to follow our channel.